Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to explain you about bidding strategies and optimization goal. So guys, mainly I'll be going to talk about only two things. The first one is bidding strategies, right? And the second one is optimization goals, right? So let's start with the first slide where I have mentioned the bidding strategies are available in LinkedIn. Right, so there are only three bidding strategies are available. The first one is maximum delivery, which is mostly like an automated bidding strategy where LinkedIn have the full control of your bidding, and it can increase the bidding, it can decrease the bidding, and everything is in automated way. The best thing is that LinkedIn tries to bring the best result or best outcome in the given budget in maximum delivery option, right? And here you don't have any control over spending or any kind of results. Then we have this second option, which is cost cap. Cost cap is mostly like controllable, or you can say manual bidding type, because here you can set the cost per click or cost per conversion, right? So basically you can set the capping over here. If you are using cost cap, let's say you want to generate lead but you have limited budget, right? And you don't want to spend more than $10 for a lead. So what you can do is you can set a cost cap, you can set a capping of $10, that you don't want to spend more than $10 for a lead. So LinkedIn will try to bring you lead under $10. But you need to keep in mind that if the competition is spending more than that, then you will not get any lead or will not get any results, right? So you need to keep the amount around your competition's amount, right? Let's say your competition is spending $20 for a lead, so you need to keep your amount around $20, maybe 19.5, maybe 20, or sometimes more than that as well, right? So in that way you can properly compete with the competitor and you can get the results as well, right? Now the third point is totally manual bidding, where you can set your bidding, like how much money you are willing to pay or you are willing to spend. So this is kind of a expert mode, you can say. And to use these two options you need good amount of expertise, or you can say good amount of experience, so that you can get the results using these methods, because sometimes layman people use these methods and they don't get results due to their mistakes, right? So if you are new, you can use maximum delivery. Now after bidding strategies, we are into the optimization goals. So in LinkedIn we do have 7 types of optimization goals. So according to these goals you can optimize your campaign, or LinkedIn will optimize your campaign according to these goals. The first one is impressions. Impressions is like showing your ad to the same user again and again, so that uh, the user whom you are showing your ad can remember your brand or can remember your product. It is kind of a reach, but the difference is in impressions, people, I mean LinkedIn tries to show your ad to the same people, right? And mostly and majorly people use impression as a goal in brand awareness, so that they can show their brand or their product or service to the same people again and again. And overall it will increase their brand recall value, right? After that we do have reach. Reach is like you are trying to show your ads to the new people, and if you are choosing reach as your goal in your campaign, which means LinkedIn will try to show your ads to the new audience as much as it can, right? So this is what reach is. After this, the third optimization goal is landing page clicks. Landing page clicks is like if someone is clicking on your ad, they are redirecting to your website or landing page. That is landing page clicks. If you want your user to visit your website, or you want your audience to visit your landing page, then this should be your optimization goal, right? After this we do have the fourth one, which is leads. Mostly in LinkedIn users wants to generate leads, so in that case if you also have that you want leads through your campaign, then you can use the fourth optimization goal, which is leads, and LinkedIn will optimize the campaign and will add a lead generation form into your campaign if you are using your optimization goal as lead. Then we do have the fifth option, engagement clicks or other actions. Engagement clicks or other action is like, it is also kind of a part of brand awareness, because If you want your audience to get engaged with your ads so that they can know your brand, or they can know your product, or they can remember your product or services, you might need engagement clicks. And the engagement click can be like, engagement click can be share, and the engagement click can be the comment, right? It can be anything. So it is comes under other actions. So engagement clicks or other actions, right? So other actions, as I told you, share, comment, or maybe reacting in that post. Now the sixth one is video view. If you are running a video campaign, so obviously you need a view. So in that case, you can select video views so that you can confirm that the user have watched your video. Because if you are not selecting video views as your optimization goal, then user might just skip your video. Let's say the user is scrolling through the LinkedIn timeline and your video appears, but the user haven't watched the video and just scrolled it. But if you are selecting your optimization goal as video views, and if the user has scrolled the video, that means it will not count as a view, right? It will count as a view once the user have watched the video for certain period of time. It can be 5-10 seconds around, right? Now the last point is website conversion. Website conversion can be lead generation, can be sales, or can be other kind of conversions, like any kind of data submission or like that, right? So that comes under website conversion. So these are the goals, 7 type of optimization goals which you can select into your campaign, and LinkedIn will optimize your campaign according to your goals, right? So it is very important to select the perfect bidding strategy and perfect optimization goals so that you can get the best results possible. I hope this video helps, and if you still have any question, query, any kind of confusion regarding this, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. With that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Also, yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And as I can see that almost 93% of our audience haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, so please, it is my humble request you to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye.